What is the discount type on coupons in Zenler? Go to either Site or Course. On the left hand side, scroll down to Coupons, and this is Zenler's coupon area. So with the discount type you have two options. You have percentage and you have amount. Now you can apply this discount type to multiple products within the site from one coupon, but there are some things to take into account, such as if you put it as percentage and you put this across multiple products, then it will discount it by that percentage. However, if you click amount, then it may not work. For instance, if you had a course for £50 and you had another course for £100 and you discounted by amount £80, then it would exceed the price of the £50 course, so it would not work. So our recommended choice for multiple products is to use percentage. Now if you are doing it to just one product on its own, then amount is perfectly fine to use. So if I had one course and I wanted to discount £50 from that course, then it would reduce the price by half. You can select the products down here and enter the discount amount in here that ties up with the percentage and the amount. This is discount types inside of Zenler.